It was Easter not so long ago, and I had a lot of hard-boiled eggs to eat for dinner. So I peeled them and popped them in the microwave. In 1 minute in the microwave, I heard a and one egg exploded and the yolk was everywhere in the microwave. I still had a few eggs intact, so I put it on my dish, ready to eat with some green herb sauce. I tried cutting it with my fork, then again. The yolk goes everywhere and my glasses were covered with steaming yolk. So then I cut the hard-boiled egg into half and into the microwave, thinking the heat won't be trapped inside the egg anymore. The egg didn't explode luckily, but the yolk still sizzled and hopped around here and there and some splattered still on the microwave walls. So I thought, why does the microwave make the hard-boiled eggs explode? And why does the cut yolk sizzle and hop? When the egg gets hard-boiled, the proteins in both the yolk and the white become cross-linked, running liquid into a dense rubbery web. Microwaves pass right into this protein web, directly heats the microscopic pockets of water trapped inside the web of yolk and white. Normal liquid, water, turns to steam and bubbles. In a hard-boiled egg, solid rubbery protein matrix traps the water and acts like a sealed pressure cooker. The water pockets cannot expand into steam. Instead, they become superheated. They stay liquid and reach temperatures well above the normal boiling point 100 degrees Celsius. When the microwave stops, eggs look normal. You poke it with a knife or fork, protein matrix is physically broken, it instantly releases the internal pressure, then sudden drop in pressure. This causes superheated water to instantly flash boil into steam. Steam takes up about 1,600 times more space than liquid water. It expands in a fraction of a second and tears the egg apart from the inside out. The protein matrix of the hard-boiled egg holds back the incredible pressure inside until it's disturbed. Then why does the yolk of a halved or cut hard-boiled egg sizzle and hop? There are still crumbly sponge packed with moisture and fat. The moisture becomes heated and turns into steam. Steam needs to push its way out of the yolk. So steam escaping makes the sizzles, and little jets of steam act like tiny thrusters pushing against the plate, causing the yolk to vibrate and hop around. So another experiment, let's say, what if you put in a raw egg in the microwave? Like you have guessed, it would still explode, but it doesn't have the protein matrix like the hard-boiled eggs. How come it still explodes? The reason for the explosion is the thin, invisible sac called the Vitalen membrane in between the yolk and the white. A raw egg yolk isn't just a liquid, it is held together by a Vitalen membrane. If you microwave a raw egg, the microwave heats up the yolk incredibly fast, faster than the white. Because it has high concentration of both water and fat molecules. As the liquid inside the yolk boils and turns into steam, steam is trapped by the Vitalen membrane. Additionally, the extreme heat causes the outermost layer of the yolk to get cooked and solidified. This adds a second barrier to trap the steam inside. Double trapped with Vitalen and cooked on the outermost layer of the yolk, steam spikes and the egg explodes. The microwave is painted and hot egg splatter. So how to cook raw egg safely? Break the Vitalen membrane. Get a toothpick and then poke the shell and the inside of the egg to break the Vitalen membrane. Or crack the egg and scramble it. So now we know why a hard-boiled egg or raw egg explodes when microwaved. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next one.